In this tutorial, we will learn about transpose function. So we all know how to do a transpose in a basic way. Simply just select this, go to home, copy this, and here we will go to paste special, and here we have transpose and OK. We got all the values here transposed. But if I change the value here HR, will it change here for employee 5? Let's check. Suppose here I am giving HR depth like this way. The value doesn't change. So here comes the action of transpose function. So let's see. So what does this transpose function do? It converts a vertical range of cells to horizontal or vice versa. That means here we can see this heading on the top row. It will become the leftmost column. So this way all the data are transposed. So syntax of transpose function is transpose, and within bracket we have one argument, that is array. And what is array? Is a range of cells on a worksheet or an array of values that you want to transpose. So this is the range we want to transpose. So for that we have to remember some points, that is you have to select the same quantity of cells, that is here as we transpose the column becomes the row and a row becomes the column. So here we have 1 2 3 4 5 columns. So these 5 columns will be 5 rows, 1 2 3 4 5, and here 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns, sorry, rows, it will become 6 columns, 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this way we have to select, then we can use the transpose function. But if we do not do that, simply we do the transpose equal to transpose, then select the range, bracket close and enter. We got error value because this is an array function. So you have to do Control Shift Enter. And now if I drag this on the here like this way, you can see it doesn't change. So first what you have to do is select this range, then type equal to transpose, then select the array, bracket close, then Control Shift and enter. It is changed. Now if I change any value here, suppose here DEP, enter, you can see it is reflected here. So when we do a simple transpose with the help of this transpose function in the paste special, we can do it like this way, copy, and here go to paste special here. If we use this one, simple transpose, then if we change any value within the main data, it does not change in the result. But with the help of transpose function, if we change the data within the main data, then the result data will also get affected. So transpose function is helpful in this way. In the second example, how to add an extra text with any value. So here we have ID and here the ID numbers. So here we will transpose this data here, but before this number we want to add this ID. So how to do that? First select the range. Here we have 1 2 3 4 5. So 1 2 3 4 5, then equal to transpose. Then you have to select this range and select this range, bracket close and Control Shift Enter. You can see here ID 1001, ID 1002. So ID is added to all these numbers. So in this way you can also do the transpose. In the third example, we will do a conditional transpose. That means here we have the roll numbers, names and marks. If any student get less than 35, then we will not get the value here. Instead of this value, we will get here the fail. So how to do that? So select this range because here we have 3 columns, so 3 rows, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows, so here 6 columns. So now type here equal to transpose. Then here we will give a condition, that is if this range is less than 35, then fill, bracket close, else this value, bracket close for transpose, control shift and enter. Sorry, here let's check logical text value if true, here okay, here one bracket, control shift enter. You can see roll name marks, and we got all the roll numbers names, and here the numbers, but here R2 Rathin has got 32, so R2 Rathin here we got fail. So this is the logic, that is if this range any value has less than 35, then it will give us the result fail, else it will transpose this value. So we got the result in this way. So I hope you have understood this tutorial very well and enjoyed this. If you have any problem regarding this tutorial, you can write me in the comment section. I will surely help you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button and share this with your friend. And do not forget to subscribe our channel to support us. Thanks for watching the video till the end. See you soon in the next tutorial.